In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable desktop alerts for new emails in Outlook. If you've been getting constant pop-up banners on your desktop every time a new message lands in your inbox, this walkthrough will show you how to turn those off in Outlook on the web so you can stay focused. First, make sure you're signed into Outlook in your browser and that you're on your main mail page. You should see your inbox, folders along the left, and your messages in the center. Starting from the home page ensures the settings you change apply to your current Outlook experience. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a panel with quick options. We're going a bit deeper than the quick toggles so we can reliably reach the notification controls that handle desktop alerts. Inside Settings, open the Full Settings menu and go to the General section. Under General, select Notifications. This page centralizes how Outlook on the web communicates with you while you work, including whether it shows on-screen banners or plays sounds when mail arrives. Now turn off the alerts for new emails. You'll see options related to showing notifications for new messages and possibly options for sounds or badges. Switch off the setting that controls desktop or new message notifications, so Outlook stops pushing those pop-ups to your screen. When this is off, you'll still receive email as usual, but the distracting desktop banners and sounds won't appear. This change is great if you're presenting, sharing your screen, or simply want to reduce interruptions without missing messages in your inbox. When you're done, click Save to apply the change. This part is easy to overlook, but it's important. If you close the panel or navigate away without saving, the alerts may remain enabled. After saving, you can exit settings and return to your inbox. From now on, Outlook in your browser will keep new email notifications quiet on your desktop while still delivering messages in the background. That's it. You started from your Outlook homepage, opened Settings, navigated to General, and then Notifications, switched off the new email alerts, and saved your preference. You can revisit the same page anytime to turn notifications back on if your needs change. If you still notice unexpected banners, remember that your web browser or operating system might also manage notifications, but that's outside the scope of today's steps. For Outlook on the web, you're all set to work distraction-free.